Hi everybody, this video demonstrates how easy it is to revert back to the original genuine Chinese TP-Link provided firmware from the LinkDuino OpenWrt-based firmware for this small TP-Link TL-WR703N wireless router. I sincerely hope that you don't do that, or you don't have to do that, because it would mean that despite all the efforts, it means that the LinkDuino is not the right thing for you. So I just hope that by curiosity that you are here. Anyway, I will try to make you confident. That's it. Something very easy to do. So the first thing is to go onto the Chinese website from TP-Link to get the firmware. It's only available there because this product is only for the Chinese market and not for the export. So you will only find it here, not on the global or your local TP-Link website. So just type in WR703N here in search box, and it will lead you to this page where you have a description, and you have this second page is here technical description, and the third one I don't know exactly. I don't care. But the fourth one is very interesting because this is the one that will lead you to the last firmware, which is from September the 25th, 2012, it looks like. And this is this page. I probably did everything because we have to go through the Chinese firewall, and it's pretty slow. So this is the page where you get, and this is the archive you need to download, which is a RAR file. So it contains only two files, the firmware itself and a small doc file that you really don't care. So download this file and extract the firmware from it because you will need it. Okay, so now I suppose that you have a running LinkDuino accessible either by the wired network or wireless network at some address. I will just use the default address here. So if you type the address, you come to the main login page for your router, where you have to specify the username and password that you previously set. Okay, and this is the main page. So it's pretty easy. If you want to revert back to the original firmware, it's exactly like a backup or an upgrade from LinkDuino. You go there and you don't care about keeping settings because you will crash everything. And then you choose the file. You have to select the file you obtain from the Chinese website. Okay, and flash image. And in the meantime, I will just open here the Minicom and see what's going on when I do that. Okay, so the file has been transferred, so it doesn't matter if it's a wireless or wired connection, because before flashing the actual file, it will be downloaded first and checksummed, and then it will be flashed. So there is no risk in using a wireless connection at all. So you can verify that the checksum is okay if you want to make sure that there is no risk at all. And then proceed. Okay, so it says that the system is flashing, so there is nothing going on here or on the router. You don't see the LED or whatever, but at one point it will restart, and we will see in the console here, we will see the U-boot taking place, and then launching the Linux distribution from the TP-Link. Okay, so we just have to wait. It will take something like 1 minute before everything is applied. Okay, so we are rebooting. You see the U-boot taking place, and then it's launching the Linux kernel from TP-Link. And once it's finished booting, normally you should get a blinking LED saying that you have both a wired Ethernet and a wireless access point, giving you access to the web admin interface from TP-Link. You see the SSID for the access point, and when it's finished and ready, the LED is blinking slowly. So you just go there with exactly the same address. Okay, I need need to remove the browsing. Okay, clear browsing, because it memorized a few things like this small page here. Okay, and I need admin and admin as written on a small label at the back of the router, and you have the Chinese interface back. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Bye bye.